Hello, Customer Success Universe. My name is Deidre Williams, and welcome back to my series, Star Trek, boldly going where few customer success leaders have gone before, but where more should in 2025. In this series, we explore how the legendary crew of the Starship Enterprise embodies the prime directives of customer success and how we can apply that wisdom to navigate today's customer journey. If you've missed previous transmissions, subscribe to my newsletter to stay on course. Today's episode, Bold Women of Star Trek, original series lessons for customer success. Throughout my career as a customer success leader, I've had the privilege of learning from some fabulous women of CS. And if you know a bold woman in customer success, give her a shout out in the comments. Now, when Star Trek, the original series, first aired, it broke boundaries, not only with science fiction, but with representation. The female characters, though few in number, embodied traits that today's customer success leaders can model to drive revenue growth, retention, and customer trust. Let's explore some of the standout women from the original series and film and the customer success traits that modern CS roles can exemplify. First up, Nyota Uhura, marketing and communications, the voice of the customer. Uhura is the gold standard of clear, inclusive communication. Great CS leaders keep hailing frequencies open with customers, especially in those moments of change or risk. CS takeaway: build a predictable communications cadence, executive briefings, release notes, enablement, as well as renewal updates. Now, the success tip: make every message answer three critical questions for your customer. What changed? Why it matters? And what's the next best action for your customer? Next up, Dr. Carol Marcus, innovation and customer centric visions that are tied to customers' desired business outcomes. Dr. Marcus created the Genesis device, envisioning possibilities beyond imagination. CS leaders today must do the same, innovate as well as assist your customers. See what's so that they can see what's possible from your particular products or solutions. Dr. Marcus led the Genesis project with rigor and purpose. Innovation is only innovation when it creates measurable customer value. Key takeaway: make sure that you're building out customer journeys that measure obsessively, that every single touch point is a way that builds out your North Star for your customer, the North Star for your customer, that is. Think about speed, the time to value for your customer, accelerate customer adoption, and make sure that for your company, there's accelerated revenue growth. The success tip: for every single journey, publish a one-page plan that has a hypothesis, that has clear metrics, that has an owner, a timeline, and value realization for your customer. Next up, Saavik, data driven, calm under pressure, resilience, and growth mindset. As a Vulcan trainee, Saavik faced the infamous Kabayoshi Maru, learning from failure to become stronger. In CS, resilience and iteration define how teams grow after churn events or setbacks. Saavik probes assumptions, tests scenarios, and stays composed. That's customer ops at its finest. Anticipate the risk with leading indicators and adapt fast. CS takeaway: instrument your journey, usage, stakeholder engagement, sentiment, so surprises are rare. Success tip: when two of the three leading indicators that I mentioned above trend down, trigger an executive check in and a written recovery plan. Next up, to Pring, strategic foresight and negotiation with logic and reason. In the Amok time, T'Pring showed her ability to plan logically, anticipate outcomes, and negotiate her path forward. In CS, foresight and negotiation are vital to balancing renewal, expansion, and company priorities. CS takeaway: separate emotion from action, define goals, owners, dates, and what good looks like on paper. Or if you have to digitize it, make sure you just document it. Success tip: Use a mutual success plan for every escalation or customer interaction with shared objectives, weekly check ins, and a criteria based on an extra strategy that works for your customer. And finally, Christine Chappell, Empathy in Action, Care that Creates Advocates. Nurse Chappell's compassion and dedication built trust, even in the most dire circumstances. In CS, empathy turns ordinary CSMs into trusted advisors. CS takeaway: after every critical issue, close the loop visibly. Teach, prevent, and celebrate the win. Success tip: pair post incident health checks and micro training to remove repeat friction and document the value saved. From Uhura's open channels to Dr. Marcus's outcome driven innovation, from Saavik's analytical calm to T'Pring's strategic foresight, and Nurse Chappell's empathetic care, these women's model the mindset of modern customer success. Now, if this resonates, please subscribe to the next subscription and episode. And make sure you note in the comments, tag a bold woman from CS who inspires you. Until next time, keep hailing frequencies open. Live long and prosper for customer success. And definitely, if you found this insightful, please subscribe to my newsletter.